Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can bold the text in HTML language. Let's open the compiler, and after that now here we can add HTML tag. So this is called B tag. This is bold text, and after that let's close this tag. Now there is another tag to bold the text. Let's add BR for line break. Now here we can add another tag. This is strong tag. Let's close this tag, and after that save the program and let's refresh it in the browser. So now here you can see these both tags are used to bold the text.